To update your HDFC Bank Zero Balance account, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the necessary documents, including your account number, customer identification number, and a valid government-issued identity proof such as your passport, driving license, or Aadhaar card. Visit the official HDFC Bank website and click on the Update Account Details option. You will be redirected to a new page where you can select the type of update you want to make, such as updating your address, mobile number, or email ID. If you want to update your address, click on the Address Update option and enter your new address details. You will also need to upload a proof of address document, such as a utility bill or rent agreement. To update your mobile number, click on the Mobile Number Update option and enter your new mobile number. You will receive a one-time password on your registered mobile number, which you need to enter to authenticate the update. You can also update your account details by visiting your nearest HDFC Bank branch. Take the necessary documents with you and fill out the account update form. Submit the form and documents to the bank representative, who will assist you with the update process. It is essential to keep your account details up to date to ensure you receive important updates and notifications from the bank. Additionally, updating your account details helps prevent unauthorized transactions and ensures your account remains secure. In case you encounter any issues during the update process, you can contact HDFC Bank Customer Care for assistance. They will guide you through the process and help resolve any problems you may be facing. By following these steps, you can easily update your HDFC Bank Zero Balance account and ensure your account details are current and accurate. Remember to always keep your account details up to date to maintain the security and integrity of your account.